Can I start?
Hi guys!
Hi!
Good morning! Welcome back again to my channel. This is Angel May, Bisaya-American. So I have a friend from Argentina. She came here
A week ago?
a week ago and she visited us.
Okay, my name is Blanca and I am Argentinian and I'm going to read my friend's native language, cebuano, for the first time.
Yes, and we're having challenge. So this is my first time also reading her Argentinian Spanish. So I have super news over here that she can read. And which one you read? Me first or you?
I'm going to read first.
Okay. So I'm gonna look for news and she gonna read in my native language. This is so fun. Let's see. There you go. So you read over here to here and you just like scroll.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, this is the first time I'm doing this. So, Supervalita Cebu. Kapulisan sa siyudad sa Subo magdaninot sa paggamit sa ilang gasolina human ni saka na pagayo ang presyo sa mga produktong petrolyo. Mga personal nga na destino sa mobile patrol himnadoan nga paggon ang makina kon nakapark ag menusan na ang paggamit sa icon. Wow!
Wow, she did pretty good reading my language.
Did you understand?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Okay, continue.
So, I don't know what
You
I'm
did.
saying.
It's okay.
All right.
You did right.
Sulod lang ning buwana ni Saka papagayo ang balor sa petrolyo dilim hapit na mabut sa P100 and matag litro nini. Matol ni Police Lieutenant Colonel Janet Bradford, I suppose it's English, Deputy Director for Operations sa Cebu City Police Office. Nga ni pagayas na sila kamandoan sa tanang station commanders lakip na sa mga personnel na destino sa mobile patrol nga kon naka-standby lang sa usa ka lugar ang sakyayan pangkon na and makina nini.
You did great.
Really?
You did great.
Oh, great.
Oh, I'm nervous now. That's difficult, the Spanish.
You're going to
I
read.
try my best, but she's gonna listen me if I did right, okay? But she did great in my Cebuano language.
Okay.
It's my turn now.
Yes, look at this. This is
Oh, that's so fun.
this is from our most popular newspaper in Argentina.
Okay.
All right? So, listen to this. Oh, there are so many in here.
So from where I'm
From here, yeah.
Okay. Alright, this is from their news also. So I'm gonna read in Argentinian Spanish. Juan Pablo Martorell, tiene 43 años y dos hijos. Victoria de 14 y Gail de 7. En julio de 2021, estaba por ingresar al quirófano cuando recibió una noticia que no esperaba. Su casa de Puerto Pirámides, Chubut, había sido alanada por una denuncia de un supuesto robo de herramientas. Capitán de un barco que hizo avistajes de balinas. Martuller estaba en Córdoba, su provincia natal, después de ser diagnosticado de un cáncer de tiroides con algunas complicaciones serias que obligaron a poner en duda la suerte que podría correr en la operación. Did I do it right?
Yeah, it's incredible.
Tuve una charla con los médicos antes de la intervención. Me dijeron que iba a ser complicado porque estaba comprometida la arteria aorta. Me dieron a entender que la cosa era tan seria que podía no volver de la operación. So, ahí es cuando tu cabeza comienza a funcionar de otra manera porque no sabes si te vas a volver a levantar. Es difícil de explicar y además lo del alanamiento. Le cuenta Juan Pablo a Clarín.
Very good. Excellent.
I did
Excellent.
right.
Yeah, because I can understand. Maybe
I don't
you are.
understand some of the language.
Of course.
Some like the operation.
Mhm.
Operation in
Maybe the stress of the syllables are difficult for you.
yeah, it's difficult for me, but some of the words over here is kind of similar in my language, Cebuano. So,
Well, for me, it's completely different. Your language is like,
but you did great when reading my language too.
Okay.
It's not like the accent
so
is.
if I can read it, you can understand.
I can
The same
understand.
happens to me. When you read, I can understand you what you're saying. So
Yeah,
this is
but some of
important.
the words I don't understand.
Okay.
But yeah, so my native language Cebuano and her language, there's very much
Alike.
alike. So that's why our first meeting each other for so long, and we're like get along right away. We're kind of what do you call
You
that?
can say about the numbers. That is so
See,
strange.
okay, we will do this at our numbers. Okay, we will speak together. Okay,
Okay.
ready? We will start from
Uno,
uno,
dos,
tres,
cuatro.
cuatro.
We can start again.
Okay.
Uno,
Uno,
dos,
dos,
tres,
tres,
cuatro,
cuatro,
cinco,
cinco,
seis,
seis,
siete,
siete,
ocho,
ocho,
nueve,
nueve,
10.
diez,
Cuchillo.
once.
No.
Continue.
Another word.
Okay,
Cuchillo.
we will do
Say cuchillo in.
cuchillo.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Okay.
These are similar words that
Okay.
we've got in common.
Cuchillo,
Cuchillo. Mesa.
la mesa,
Tenedor.
tenedor,
What else?
cuchara,
Cuchara.
baño,
Baño.
delicado,
Delicado.
problema,
Problema.
ventana,
Ventana.
aparador.
Aparador. Wow, this is great.
We'll do the month.
Okay.
Enero,
Enero.
febrero,
Febrero.
marzo,
Marzo.
abril,
Abril.
mayo,
Mayo.
junio,
Julio.
julio,
agosto,
agosto,
septiembre,
septembre,
octubre,
octubre,
noviembre,
noviembre,
diciembre.
diciembre. We're the same. Yes. See? I cannot imagine from Philippines to Argentina. We're kind of Connection.
Right. Yes.
or
With the language.
some of the language, so that's
Mhm.
easy for me to understand.
Yes,
some
and
of
you
the
must study Spanish.
See, the
Right?
Spanish is
To
I have
understand the
already-
grammar mainly.
only the grammar, because you have
Mhm.
like E, like C.
It's going to be very easy for you to study Spanish because you know how to read it. That is very difficult. So you can do
So
it.
I did write the reading, most of the reading, or there's a mistake for mine.
No, yeah, there are different sounds maybe that are
Just the
different,
sounds?
but only the sounds. But if I listen to you reading, I can understand everything you are saying, right?
Oh, you too. When you read my Cebuano, you
understand.
did write the way you read.
Uh-huh.
There's just like the sounds,
Okay,
but most is perfect.
very good.
That's why I keep laughing. I said, "Oh my God, how did she read my language?" Because some that I try them to read my language, they have difficulty.
Okay.
Most the
And
American is
this
like,
was the first time we didn't
Study.
Yeah, we
We
didn't
didn't
study it. We
practice.
did it
this
on the
is
first time.
on the spot,
Yeah.
guys. So
Yes, this some news that are from today, right?
this news is very
yeah.
recent news. This is very popular news in the where my place is,
Okay.
Cebu Super Balita News
Mhm.
from Sunstar.
Very
So
good.
it's very famous in the Philippines. So
Okay.
I'm so glad, guys. I have a special guest here in my channel that she joined, and she to be my guest.
All right. Bye bye. See you.
Bye bye. Until next time on my video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, so what you think in our video, so we can continue
Learning
learning
Spanish.
Spanish. So what do you think?
All right.
What do you think? that
And
we-
Cebuano.
And Cebuano. So, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Adios. What is adios?
Adios.
Adios too.
Adios.
Bye-bye.
Different.
Adto na ko. You say.
Bye bye. I don't know. Adios. Ciao.
Ciao. You say
Ciao,
adto
ciao.
na ko.
Atonako.
Okay.
Uh.
Bye.